Okay guys, at this video I will show you how we can jam on other Wi-Fi networks and nearby Wi-Fi networks using our Python Wi-Fi jammer, which we programmed in the previous lecture. We will type python jammer.py to make sure that we will execute the jammer.py and we will get the jammer working on our device. This is actually my other laptop, as we can see. This is connected to the isolated network, and this network here, as we can see, this is the information about this network, and this is my Samsung device, of course. After executing the jammer, we will see that this device will be disconnected from the network. Let's get started and press enter, and as we can see, the script is scanning for networks. The script determines the networks that is in a nearby and start jamming on it. We can see that, yeah, we get the connection disconnected from this device, and we jammed on the network, and all of the devices are totally disconnected from the network. My other device, actually, the other laptop is, as we can see, is disconnected, so I can't make the connection with it. And in this way, we jammed on the nearby Wi-Fi networks using our Python Wi-Fi jammer. See you in the next lecture.